This is the question asked in today's SkillTrack daily challenge. So in the first line of our input, we will be given an integer n, and then we will be given an array of n integers, and then we will be given an integer k as input. So here the value of integer k is equal to 2. So first I will copy the given input array as such, and the value of k is equal to 2. So I am highlighting the first two integers in the given n integers. So now we have to take every integer x from the first k integers, and we have to find the remainder when the remaining integers are divided by x, and we have to add that value with the current value. So what we have to do is we have two integers in the first k integers 10 and 24. So first we are going to take the integer 10, and now we are going to divide the integer 61 by 10 and find the remainder. So in order to find the remainder, we can make use of the mod operator. So 61 mod 10, it will be nothing but 1. So now we have to add that value 1 with the original value of the integer. So it becomes 61 plus 1, 62. Similarly, for the next integer 78, 78 mod 10 will be 8. So 78 plus 8, the value will become 96. And then the next integer is 90. So 90 mod 10 will be 0. So 90 plus 0, it is 90 itself. So it remains as such. So now we have taken the first integer 10 and did the operations with all the remaining integers. Now we have to take the next integer 24. So now again we have to do 62 mod 24. So when we do that, we will be getting integer value 14. So when 62 is divided by 24, the remainder which we get is 14. So we have to add that 14 with 62. So 62 plus 14, the output will be 76. And then the next integer is 96. So we have to perform 96 mod 24. So 96 mod 24 will be 4. So 96 plus 4, 100. And then the last integer is 90, and again 90 mod 24, we have to find the value. So 90 mod 24 is 18. So we have to do 90 plus 18. So the answer will be 108. So now we have taken all the k integers and did operation with the rest of the integers, and this is the modified array. So we have to print this modified array in our output. So this is how we get our output. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating two integer variables n and k, and then using a scanf, first I am accepting the integer n as input, and then I am creating a new integer array named arr of size n, and then using a for loop I am accepting the n integers and I am storing it into the array arr, and after accepting n integers, using a scanf I am accepting the integer k as input. So now we have accepted our input, and now we have to perform our logic. So we have to take the first k integer and we have to perform the operation with all the remaining integers. So I am creating a I loop. So this I loop iterates through the first k integers. So here we can see that the I loop starts from 0 and iterates till I less than k. So we iterate through the first k integers. So we have to take every integer and we have to perform operation with all the remaining integers from k plus 1. So inside this I am creating another j loop, and this j loop iterates through the integers from k plus 1. So here we can see that the j loop starts from k and iterates till j less than n. So in every iteration of this j loop, we have to perform the operation given in the question. So it is nothing but we have to find the remainder when arr of j is divided by arr of I, and we have to add that remainder value with the original value of arr of j. So here I am performing that operation. So I am setting arr of j plus is equal to arr of j mod arr of I. So here we perform the operation given in the question. So this is how we will be performing. So finally, after the execution of this I loop, we would have taken every k integer and we would have did the operation with all the remaining integers from k plus 1. So now our array would have been modified. So finally, after the execution of this I loop, we have to create another loop and print the modified integers in the array arr, so that we will get our required output. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.